In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly transfer your designs from AutoCAD to Blender, bridging the gap between drafting and 3D modeling. Whether you're an architect, engineer, or hobbyist working on your next big idea, this guide will make the process simple and efficient, setting you on the path to creativity without the hassle. Let's start by tackling the first step, exporting your design from AutoCAD in the .dxf file format. Just open your existing DWG file in AutoCAD, a common format that many designers and engineers use. Once you have the file open, navigate to the export options. It's straightforward. You're looking to save this in the Drawing Exchange format, or .dxf. This format is compatible with a wide range of software, making it versatile for our needs today. Go ahead and save it in a folder where you can easily locate it later to avoid any unnecessary searching. Moving on, let's set things up in Blender. Start by opening the program and directing yourself to the Edit menu. From there, head to Preferences and then to Add-ons. In the search bar at the top, type in AutoCAD, and you should see an option for Import AutoCAD DXF format. Enable this to make the import process seamless. Double-check that it's activated to prevent any hiccups later on. Now with the add-on enabled, go to File, select Import, and choose AutoCAD DXF. It'll prompt you to locate your previously saved file, navigate through your folders, pick the .dxf file you saved, and click on Import DXF. Blender will now bring in your design, opening up a realm of possibilities for you to explore within its 3D space. Once your design is in, you might notice that it's not immediately visible. No worries, just zoom out or hit the Home key on your keyboard and you should see your whole scene displayed before you. At this stage, if there's too much clutter with text or extra geometry that you don't need, use the outliner to select those unwanted elements. Simply press X to delete them, keeping your workspace clean and manageable. If your design is a 2D drawing and you're interested in taking it to the next level with 3D modeling, there's a simple conversion process to follow. Select all the curve objects, navigate to the Object menu, click on Convert to, and choose Mesh from Curve Meta/Surf Text. This step prepares your design for 3D modeling and manipulation, allowing you to add intricate details or use the imported drawing as a reference for further creative projects. With these steps, you're now ready to explore the dynamism of 3D visualization, enriching your projects in Blender with the precision of AutoCAD designs. Enjoy venturing into the vast possibilities that merging these two powerful platforms offers. Happy modeling!